Cafe. Registered dietitian Allison Childress back with us today. And thanks so much for joining us once again. I think you were here just 2 weeks ago, I believe.
Yes.
There's a big push, a really popular item in grocery stores these days are energy bars, energy drinks, all this stuff. But that has a downside, I understand.
It does. It does. The energy drinks, not only are they expensive, we all know how big they are and how much they cost, but they also have the 3 C's that I'd like to avoid.
Calories?
Calories, mainly in sugar, chemicals, and caffeine. That's basically all that's in these energy drinks. So we're going to make energy bars that we can make from things that we already have in our pantry, and we can try to eat those instead of buying something.
So we got a little look at what we're going to be aiming for right here and some of the ingredients that we're going to be working at. How do we get this started? You got some stuff going in the saucepan
over here. We've got just some corn syrup, some brown sugar, and some peanut butter. And we just kind of heated that up to syrup consistency, and that's just going to hold warm. This is sort of like the glue that's going to hold our energy bars together.
It looks actually pretty good.
A good energy bar will have some simple carbohydrates that we can digest quickly and use for energy very quickly, but we'll also have some complex ones that we can digest later and give us some sustained energy. And these energy bars provide both of those.
All right, so we got this ready.
Got this ready. Now all we have to do is combine. So right here, Evan, is 4 cups of multi-grain Cheerios, and you can use any kind of cereal, any flavor Cheerios. You can use, a flake cereal, anything like that. So 4 cups go in.
Okay.
We have 1/3 of a cup of slivered toasted almonds.
That's very nice. Ooh.
1/3 of a cup of sunflower seeds.
Yummy.
Toasted as well. 1/2 cup of chopped apricots.
Okay.
You can use any kind of dried fruit. 1/2 cup of raisins.
So it's good to get the fruit in there as well.
Yes, yeah, that kind of gives us some fiber. That gives us that sustained energy. So all you need to do is sort of mix that up.
That I can do.
And like I said, you can use any cereal, any fruit, any nuts you like for this. You can absolutely make it your own.
And you can get your kids involved. You can say,
your
what do you
kids,
want?
yes.
You want the Cheerios or do you want the,
Right. And you can make it absolutely foolproof and just use cereal and trail mix, pre-made trail mix.
Okay.
Instead of all the fruit and nuts, you can just dump a bag of trail mix in and you're good to go.
And you can even sneak something in there that maybe your kid thinks he or she does not like.
Right, flaxseed is a good example of that. It'll boost the fiber and the omega-3s in there.
I don't even know if I like flaxseed. You say flaxseed, I say, no, it's okay, I'm all right.
Okay.
All right, so we put in the paste.
So we're going to pour in our glue, and then you can start to stir. It's kind of sort of like making a Rice Krispie treat.
Oh my goodness.
Reminiscent of that.
It
Just
is
a little
sticky.
healthier.
You could almost use your hands and put on some gloves or something
Yes,
and
I've
really,
done that before.
and really mix it up.
Not making a mess at all over here.
Well, I'm being careful.
Now I've sprayed a pan. This is almost a 9 by 13. If you like thicker bars, you can use just the 8 or 9 inch cake pan.
Okay.
If you like them to be a little thinner and longer, I like to use a bigger pan.
Okay.
So once you get those all mixed together,
I'll just pretend like I have. I haven't, but we'll just
dump 'em in.
pretend. All right. See, this is wonderful.
And they look so pretty.
Yeah, it smells good already. The peanut butter. I'm a big peanut butter fan. So many people are. So you just got to push that in
Yes,
there.
and I'll mash it. And if I set one back there towards the back. If you want to give it a try, Evan, we've got
What's
this
that?
one right there.
Just try this one right here?
I don't
This
want a
one?
dog can tumble.
This one right underneath.
So what do you think? Better than an energy drink, right? Chemicals, calories, caffeine.
And what I love about it is that you can just pack this away.
Yes.
Say your kids are going off to, play basketball or go to the park for a while. Just say, hey, take these with you. Then here's some for your friends.
Right.
Then also they're the cool kids that are eating healthy at the same time.
Right.
I'm thinking like a parent, even though I'm not one. This recipe is going to be on everythinglubbock.com a little bit later tonight. Allison, come by and join us anytime.
Thank you.
This is another great recipe. We're going to take a quick break. The entertainment report coming up after this. King of the parody, Weird Al Yankovic, getting a thumbs up from the Queen of the Weird, Lady Gaga. We'll explain next.
Disaster in a Gulf 1 year later.
I did nothing. You did so good.